Hey, it's Bill Kerbox. It's one thing to tell you how to do something. It's another to show you. So we're here in Catalina Island. It's amazing, 26 miles off the coast from Los Angeles. But today, we're going to show you how we're making a community video. So come on along, and this is one of my B-roll shots. So we're going to literally, we've set up to get a dramatic shot. And as we're walking, we're literally kind of crawling. We're coming up, and we're doing the reveal on the palm tree. We'll show you some more in a second. So one of the other shots, by the way, you look at the time right now, it's kind of a twilight. So we're in Catalina, and we're following up on our previous shot. We're getting B-roll. Now what you're going to see behind me is a great opportunity literally to come up. You've got a foreground piece, but we're going to come up on this, and as we're walking, we're going to slowly rotate to the left, going out and up and showing the boats in the harbor, the restaurant. It's a great piece of B-roll you're going to want to have when you're making a community video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to shoot. We saw this great sign and arcade and a lot of people. This brings action to a lifestyle video, even the crazy kids out. But you see how smooth this is? I'm literally walking on uneven ground. It's pretty